Hello everyone, my name is Diana Stewart and I am the president of Envirox. For those of you who don't know us, we manufacture safer and healthier cleaning products for the commercial market. It's an understatement to say that this is a difficult time. And I'd like to take a few minutes to update the many frontline cleaning professionals across the country on what Envirox is doing to help you. First of all, thank you for how you're helping combat the COVID-19 pandemic. As usual, you're on the front lines, keeping the spaces that we all share safer and healthier, and often doing it at a health risk to yourself. You see, at Envirox, our mission is focused on a healthier way to clean, and we take our responsibility to you very seriously. As a cleaning professional, you know that disinfecting is a process, not just a product. The first step when you clean is to remove the dirt and the debris and clean all of that away so it won't get in the way of the disinfectant actually doing its job. Here we follow the CDC. Clean first, then disinfect. And with the widespread use of disinfectant chemicals, it's more important than ever that when you can use something that is safer and healthier, to do so. This is for your health and for the health of all of these people who will return to the facilities that you care for. Over the past several weeks, Envirox has made many adjustments to ensure that we continue producing and supplying the cleaning technologies that will help you do your work. The really good news is that we don't have supply shortages on our safer, healthier hydrogen peroxide cleaning technology. However, it is a different situation for the things that we don't make from scratch. There's a global shortage of spray bottles, spray heads, and disinfectant technology. I assure you that we are working in concert with your distributors to do everything we can to secure the supplies that you need for your very important work. However, we are subject to the same global shortages that are sweeping across the nation. Now, to help with the spray head shortage, we have instructions on our website on how you can reuse them and clean them properly to reduce any cross-contamination. You can find all of that at the enviroxclean.com/outbreak cleaning guide. We are all making changes, learning to reduce and reuse things that we've taken for granted for a really long time. And while each of us is in a very unique situation, we can come together. We can share information and we can support one another even if it's from a distance. Envirox is here to help. We are prepared to keep supply of our proprietary hydrogen peroxide technology strong. Our team is ready for the long haul. So please, be well, stay safe, and thank you